one of Vegas' most famous landmarks, perfectly located in the middle of the Strip. Today, we will find out if Paris is worth staying in or visiting. After each experience, we will be giving a rating from 1 to 5 stars how Paris is doing. Starting with number 1, check-in. Will we get the room we want? Will the staff be nice? How will our welcome to Paris hotel be? Number 2, our room. We book an Eiffel Tower view on this one. Will it feel like we are in Paris? Number 3, the pool. Will it be perfect for today's summer hot day? Number 4, the food. How are the prices? Are they worth it? Number 5, amenities. We have to see Paris Hotel's most popular replicas. Is it at par with the original in Paris? And lastly, we're gonna bet $100 and see if we will dine in or drink our sorrows away. Paris Hotel, are you worth it? And off we go.
Time to go in. The outside looks so nice, but what will be our first impressions as we go in?
It's 9 a.m. in the morning right now. Queue is not bad for check-in, but I don't know if we're gonna have a room. Will the staff be friendly? And I want a higher floor. Will we get it? Paris is owned and operated by the Caesars Entertainment. It started being constructed in 1997 and finished in 1999. 2 years, not bad. This hotel resort casino costs $785 million. Unlike high-end resorts opening in the middle of the Strip, Paris targets the middle class.
It's finally our turn with the front desk.
Our housekeeping will start giving us clean rooms after 11 a.m.
Okay,
And then there's a $56 early check-in fee if you want to come back at 11.
can I use the pool?
Third floor.
Can I use it?
Yeah, it opens at 9 o'clock.
Yay.
Just turn that in when you get your real key.
I guess we can't check in right now, but we can use the pool.
We have to come back later for the rating of the check-in. But first, we gotta have coffee and brioche from Guy Savoy.
And it looks like we have the same idea to change in the look. I love your fit and yours as well. We're paying so much for resort fee. Is the pool worth it? Thank you for holding the camera.
Absolutely. Enjoy.
Thank you. What time does the pool open? 9 a.m. And then what time does it close? 7 p.m. Thank you. That's so cool. You can see right there that there's a locker and also where you can put your shoes in. That's the water right now. It's 102 degrees here in Las Vegas. We'll see if it will cool us off. I think I should move my camera. This is just so perfect right here. Paris Hotel Vegas. Yes!
And we've got newlyweds here. Best wishes!
Hi! Are you getting married too?
Yes.
Congratulations! No, I just saw Bride and I was like, she's getting married. You're gorgeous.
Thank you.
Where are you getting married?
Saturday here. Yeah.
On Saturday? And you're having a party right now.
Yeah.
I love it. It's blazing windy. Whoa, look at that. It just went gnarly right here.
The Paris pool team starts to fix things, and guests are leaving.
I don't know, but I think it's the best time to be here right now. Oh, wait. It's dripping. I don't know. It's dangerous. I mean, what's gonna happen? We're gonna get wet? Or maybe it's thunderstorm. Maybe it's not good. But I am hungry and I hope you are because we are having our lunch.
We're giving this pool a 4-star rating because it only has one pool, but the vibes is great.
What's for lunch? It looks like there's just one alley. We're gonna walk down this alley and check out what's here.
Cafe Americano is a 24/7 restaurant, but I don't feel like dining here now because I know I can take it at midnight.
Cafe Bell, not really lunchy. I want to tell you a secret, not so secret story about Nobu in Virgin Hotels. I won in the casino, right? While I was dining there, I budgeted myself around $150, $180. That's pretty hefty meal, right? I ordered oysters and then I ordered an Aussie Wagyu 6 ounce. I saw that the Aussie Wagyu was $80. $80 for a steak is not bad at all, right? But guess what? They actually served me a Japanese A5 Wagyu. My total bill was $400 plus. What do you think about that? Is that a scam or they didn't really hear me?
Anyways, going back to our hunt for lunch,
We actually had this in Caesars. We're walking on the construction part right now. It's very loud right here and quite dark. I was thinking about the pizza that I had before. Well, we can't have that now, but I realized there are more restaurants up in the front. So we're gonna check it out.
Alexa says brunch. We haven't tried that. I bet we can have a rooftop lunch right now. So let's find out.
Beer bar! Yes! Holy cow, this looks so fun!
You can play arcade here and horsey with a giant chess.
Hi! Did we just sit ourselves?
No, there's a host stand right
Okay.
outside.
Hi, where's the hostess?
It's actually gonna be that tall guy in the black shirt.
Oh, you're so tall.
The bar is all open.
This section is closed right now, but look at that view. Wow.
Guess what? You can also access this along the strip.
Hey, what happened to your arm?
I literally went flying.
This is the menu of beers, just beers right here. But we are hungry, so we're gonna get something from here. I am torn between the chicken wings or the crispy pork belly or the Kobe chili dog.
I was looking at this one. The hangover burger, right? Oh my god, look at that bacon.
We have here a secret menu. All right, what's in? Oh, I poke bowl. Living from Hawaii. I don't know if the poke is gonna be the same, but I've been craving for it. Looks like they have everything here. They got rice, avocado, salad, ginger, seaweed. Of course, our poke.
Poke with macadamia nuts is very delicious.
This poke, I would say it's not bad at all. Very surprising for a desert place. It's probably one of the best rice I've had in my life. And I pretty much had so much rice in my life. Total bill right now is $36.46. If I'm gonna eat in a food hall, I think we're gonna get the same amount. So I think this place is alright. But I just wanna let you know that their Diet Pepsi cost me $7.25. It's 2 p.m. right now. We still don't know what to do here. We haven't checked in. I will not pay for $56.
I ended up answering all your comments from the previous videos and I must say I'm very grateful. We're giving their food category 5 stars. For a $30 dining fountain view. I was planning on requesting a higher floor. Looking at the queue here, I think I'm good for a mobile check-in. It's past 4 p.m. but as I check in, our room is still not ready.
Let's get a room ready for you.
He actually said it's my lucky day. I got upgraded. That took a spin. I was planning to give them 2 stars for a $56 advance check-in fee. But now I'm biased. Wait till you see my room. Up, up, up. Yeah. Doesn't have the key. Oh, right there. But we didn't use it. Weird. From the elevator to the corridors, you'll see how Parisian this place is. Honestly, I'm still in shock. I got a double door.
Penthouse suite. This room is extraordinary. Will we be transported to Paris, the city of lights, through this room? Let's find out. I really thought I would look so cool. It's not the usual small entrance. It's pretty wide.
There's a blue door over here. This is the guest restroom and this is also the shower. There is not 1 but 2 loos here. 1, 2, and we're gonna check out the other one. Come on. Here you will find our bathtub with the thing that you wash with your face. 1 ply. This is the vanity table. Here's the bedroom. Over here is our cabinet. And shall we do a bed test? It's a king-size bed. You can roll over here. Smell test? It smells really clean. Okay, I don't really know what this is for. Does it open? Nothing.
This side is modern. You can plug my USB-C right here. Here you can charge your phone. Are you ready to see our living room? Over here is a minibar. I don't think it's censored. Okay, oops. I guess we only opened this one. Okay, this is it, and you have space for your personal item. We have a small coffee table over here. There is Keurig, but you have to buy, I guess, the coffee pod. I don't know the price. Are you curious? Okay, let's find out. The coffee kit is $29.99. And this is our view right here. Oh, Cosmopolitan over there. Bellagio over there. And Caesar's Palace over there. Our view is amazing. It's one way to see the Bellagio fountains without breaking the bank. Most guests would come here for the Eiffel Tower, but I think Paris Hotel has more to offer. We'll give this penthouse room a 4-star because it needs an update, but I can't complain. Every day I try to do 10,000 steps, and right now we are at almost 10,000. So it's not really hard here in Vegas, but now I want to beat it and get to 15,000 steps. Let's do it. Right there is Arc de Triomphe, and you can actually go here. This arc is so magnificent. It's 2/3 the size of the original. Then the hotel buildings looks like Musée d'Orsay. We have the Eiffel Tower, which is a half-scale replica of the original one. If you walk alongside the hotel, you will really feel like you're in Paris. On the strip itself, you will see the replica of Hotel de Ville. Inside, you will find the Alex III Bridge replica. What's inside Paris Hotel? Shopping! Even the LV has its replica. Should I get this bag or this bag? Look at this one. Oh, so cute. Hello! So pretty. How much is the Don Julio? Top shelf.
350.
360? 350? Ooh, I love it. Are you from Paris?
No, I'm from Russia, from Ukraine.
Ukraine.
Yeah.
You look Parisian.
Okay, thank you. I think it's compliment. And you look like Italian.
This is in between Horseshoe and Paris. It's called the Boulevard. And I love it. We shall be rating the amenities 5-star. Amazing job keeping the Paris theme. And now it's time to bet our $100. Holy smokes, that's a huge buffalo. The $15 blackjack table is tempting me right now. Yes! These things are so cool. Woo! $5 minimum bet. This thing is so cute, so I gotta play it, right? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna start small. That's not mine. That's not a lot. Come on, come on, come on, come on! That's a $5 bet, nothing. Let's start small again. We got lucky at the start, but man, this thing is not giving anything right now. And then this keeps happening. Up, more, 10,000. It's not over. Not bad. Paris restaurant is under renovation, but I've been wanting to try this place.
Do you have reservation, honey? No. So reservations are only on this side. First come, first serve on this side.
Okay, thank you. Paris Hotel is a great hotel for those who want a little bit of luxury, but doesn't break the bank. But if you're looking for a luxury stay with Italian replicas all over, this video is for you.